Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Sully. We are back on board the Sabre 45. The guys are well underway onto day 2 of this install for Boston Yacht, so we thought we'd give you guys the quick little walkthrough and show you what's going on. See back here on the platform, we've got some of the numerous products that are going on here with the signature speakers, the Vesper Cortex, all of those kind of good things going on there. As we make our way on board, like I talked about yesterday, getting all the drop curtain, drop blankets down and cardboard and everything. Going ahead, the guys have got that all squared away. As we make our way inside, you'll see we're playing the Napoleon Bonaparte game here. Everything's in the overhead. We've got our saddles for our wire runs going in, get our NMEA going. We've got mom's spaghetti going on right here with all of our wiring for all of our network and all that good stuff. Make our way up forward to the helm area here. You're going to see we've got the displays out. We're starting to run our network cables into there. And then part of any good install is the planning and preparations. You see here, we've got everything broken down on a list, and we've already started checking things off of our list as we go here. So TJ and Cory have been hard at work on that. We make our way down in here. You see TJ's tucked himself up in there in the comms lock area, getting everything wired up in there. The Fusion Apollo amps, you can see those right there. This is going to get a pair of speakers in the guest room here as well. And then as we make our way forward, Cory's going to town up here, and we are getting a pair of the Fusion signature speakers mounted. We've got them on both sides there. So everything's starting to come together on this build, and that's it. That is pretty much all we've got going on for day 2 as these guys keep trucking along. Thank you guys for tuning in. You want to know some more about this build, or you got a question about this, leave it down below in the comments or reach out to us, sales@navtronics.com. We'd love to talk to you, and stay tuned. We're going to have day 3 for you guys tomorrow. Peace.